Hey everyone, this is Alp Acmenes here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our series on fabric planning, where we are taking you through a day in the life of an FP&A organization within the platform. In this video, we're going to be talking all about scenario-based planning. Before I get into the contents of this video, I wanted to recap what we covered last time, which was all around connected planning, where we are showcasing data, governance, BI, and planning all done within one location, hence connected planning. I'd like to take a step back and talk about scenario-based modeling and why this is so important to organizations, especially as they get to enterprise scale. Within any organization, 1% can make a difference to the bottom line. This could be millions, if not tens of millions of dollars, based on being able to validate a different scenario, a different decision, based on different assumptions that are lining up and that everybody's in agreement with from a decision-making standpoint. The cost, though, that clients are facing today and that we've seen in our clients is that analysts as well as stakeholders that are looking to put together these various different scenario-based models are spending too much time having to go back, model them out, and by the time that they bring their model back to the decision makers, it's already too late. Things have moved on. So the cost of time taken to be able to develop these scenario models and the ability not to have various different simulations in place is having companies faced with having to stick with either a few different scenarios or just one when it comes to their planning process. And this is resulting in millions of dollars to the bottom line, not having the right decisions in place. Within fabric planning, we can easily create different models to be able to solve this circumstance. With the ability to do modeling on here, we can create different scenarios, such as being able to create an optimistic scenario. With an optimistic scenario, we can apply this to all of our various different forecast and budget metrics right here. So imagine now you have the capability to come into your optimistic scenario and you're projecting now that you are going to be hitting a $1.2 million bottom line metric right here. All of your allocations factor in leading to this net profit. All your drivers driving towards this number are essentially being adjusted in real time because of this. And now what we can do is we can run comparisons against this particular scenario to our optimistic scenario to see how we are performing across all measures. This can be for certain measures, it could be for one, but we can immediately see where the backdrop and where the differences are. For simulations where we're comfortable with the results, we can immediately come in here and add commentary explaining exactly why we made this decision and how we're getting there for our teams to be tagged into. I can also tag my team members immediately within the solution right here to get a notification. On top of that, if I'm satisfied with this scenario, this is the main scenario that our team has come to a decision on to utilize, such as the optimistic scenario right here. We can come in here and commit this change. And to do that, we can easily come in here and utilize the copy to base functionality where we have the ability to move that particular scenario assumption that the team is in agreement with to our main base scenario, and now we're aligned. This is real-time capability happening. These are real decisions that then can be made and actioned on, allowing teams to jump right on the opportunities when they are comfortable that their models are seeing fit. The more modeling that is possible, the more opportunities there are for the organization to find the best model that works towards driving high ROI for the organization. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and this is Alp signing.